Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Wednesday, October 3rd, 2012. Well, a change of trend to the downside today, and the candle has made a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's trading, we had a change of trend to the upside that found resistance at the 129.68 level. Today, a black-bodied candle where the sellers have made net bearish progress, but they failed to take control of this market. We have this largish shadow on the bottom of the candle, and that highlights the market's interaction roughly with this 128.57 area of support, and also with the area near where the trend line, the light coloured blue trend line, is trading, and highlights upside price rejection and the sellers losing commitment. The sellers have closed just above the midpoint level, denoting that unfortunately they failed to maintain control of the market. The buyers have actually taken control, so that does suggest that even though the sellers made net bearish progress, they certainly aren't in the ascendancy as far as where the market's closed with control. It does suggest that there is a possibility of a change of trend to the upside. Now, we also saw the market find resistance at the Tenkan-sen once again today, and for the previous four trading days, including today, we've seen the Tenkan-sen hold as resistance to this market, and a test to that area or above has seen the buyers lose commitment. Today's trading, as it's developing, is already trading above there, and we have the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen converging, and it's narrowing this congestion area that the market is moving in. We've also seen for the previous trading days the market find support down around the Kijun-sen or around the 128.57 level. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, nothing much happening here, only one trading day changes of trends, so not too exciting, but we have seen the market test to the beyond the 50% level and the 61.8% level and be rejected from there, so that does suggest that there is a possibility of a change of trend to the upside. And with the retracement of the prior downtrend here, once again we've seen rejection from below the 50% level, testing almost to the 61.8% level, but significantly a strong loss of commitment by the sellers down around the 50% level, so a possibility of a change of trend based on that as well. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, we have a bullish market in the longer time frames, bullish in the long-term time frame by trading above the cloud, bullish in the medium-term time frame by trading above the Kijun-sen, but pretty much neutral or just bearish by trading at or just below the Tenkan-sen. The market is trading a fair way away above the cloud, and the cloud represents equilibrium in that long-term time frame. Markets tend to move away from equilibrium and revert back towards equilibrium. The mean is that equilibrium, and that's how the Ichimoku indicators are devised. And markets aren't always trending; they're trending and then reverting back to the mean, and that's what's happening here. We have had mean reversion back towards the Kijun-sen and a bounce off there, but we do have solid resistance overhead. Sooner or later, this market will either retrace back towards the mean in the longer term time frame as indicated by the cloud, or it will meet it if we do see continued congestion, and as the market continues trading we will interact with the cloud sooner or later, and that will be a very solid level of support for this market. Now, basically, with this market trading between the two Ichimoku indicators and the solid resistance at 129.68 and the solid support at 128.57, we are looking for a breakout in either direction. So a breakout will resolve this congestion that we're seeing at the moment. If we do see a breakout to the downside, we do have very strong support down below with this grey zoned area, and it is a large area of support extending from roughly 127.50 down to about 126.50. To the upside, very solid areas of resistance extending up through the 129.68 level to 130.25, 130.79 and above. So overall, a bullish market, a market that's has a possibility of testing to higher levels. We do need to wait for a breakout in either direction, but we do have strong overhead resistance and support.